Hi guys, so today I'll be unboxing and showing you the contents of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This is the adventure pack. So with the adventure pack you get a few extra things in there, which is the camera itself. You get the extreme battery, 3 of those. You get the battery case. You get the 1.5 meter extension rod, you get locking screws, protective frame, curved adhesive base, adapter mount, another adapter mount, a mini one, and a Type-C cable. So let's just go ahead and start unboxing and see what's in there. So there you go, just a close-up. This was on sale. I paid about $640, but this is in Australia. So in the US it'll be probably converted to US dollars, it'll probably be 400 something. But this is the adventure pack, guys, so let's take a look at that. I already do have the Action 2, which is the mini camera, which is like a small cube, and I gotta say that's excellent for if you don't like carrying big things with you, big cameras and things like that. If you're just doing short vlogs, short reviews, then that's pretty good. So this I bought for, I can do longer reviews on this, because the Action 2 has a tendency of overheating if you use it for too long. But this one has that issue rendered out. So what else do I have to do to open this up? All right, there you go. And any other, no. So there we go. So there seems to be 2 boxes in there, and it looks like this is your 1.5 meter extension rod. So just give me 1 second, guys. I'm just gonna turn on some extra lighting here, because so it's easier for you guys to see. So you've got the this is a 1.5 meter extension rod, which is pretty good. I think you just, oh wow, there we go. It's pretty solid, pretty sturdy. Yeah, it's pretty solid. And this, however, the only downside about this is the bottom handle doesn't become a tripod. So you have to constantly hold it into your hand, or you can add a tripod down the bottom. As you can see, there's a screw point there where you can add make it into a tripod if you want. So that's that. And Jesus, boxes are small. Now, what I can see in this box is, I think, the case. Okay, we'll have to cut into that. Have to cut into the case. So that is the protective case. I suppose that's the button to operate it. What's in these little things? You've got the screw jacks in there. You've got I think you've got a mounting plate with an adhesive at the back, with some sort of adhesive on the back to stick it on, I suppose, to something. And this one just includes these little screw jacks in there. So that is a protective case which you get with the actual camera if you purchase the adventure pack. What else is in here? The actual camera itself. There you go. Oh, it's a nice little thing. It's very nice. That's actually how big the Action 2 is. So it's just slightly bigger, but most of it, I think, is the battery's taking the spot, because how do you open it to put the battery in? I don't even know, guys, how to open this up to put the battery in. I think you have to eject it or something. turn it on and then it ejects. Anyway, USB cable. So like I said, this is an unboxing, so you'll just get to see what the contents are in the adventure pack. You will get a kind of exactly like what you use to hold the Action 2 camera with. It's like a clip-on. The side hinges just clip on, so you've got the actual section there where this clips on. There you go. Oh, it's magnetic also, so oh, hang on, there you go. There's the battery. Slides up and the battery goes there. But this clip, I think it's the other way around. No. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's clipped on, very nice, and then you'll just put it on here and just put one of those hinges on. That's all you do, and then use one of those hinges. My plans are not to use this camera yet. I'll probably use it in another month or two. But I thought I'd make the video, show you guys. So, some instructions. You know, you got to do the QR code, probably scan the QR code, and you've got some instructions on those QR code. Some stickers, bring the memory card, yeah, some stickers, and some QR code. Instructions, quick start guide, I'm not going to go through that, but it's all included in there, and the battery pack. Now I have bought a separate cage for this. It's a Telsin cage, I believe. Let me just bring that up here. No, hang on, not a Telsin, it's a Tilta cage. So I'm not sure how good it is, but I'll open it up in one of my next videos. So don't forget to subscribe, that way you won't miss that video, and hit the notification button. Subscribe and hit the notification button, so this way you won't forget to watch this video. So we'll see how good that is. I've heard good reviews about this, that it's a very light cage. And now let's look at the battery case. Oh, there you go. So it lights up when you open it up. Now I got to read all the instructions on this. I'm not sure what all of this is. Maybe you have to, these tabs, I think you have to take it off. I just don't want to pull nothing off without reading the instructions. And they're quite a lot. They're 1950, so 1950 mAh capacity for each one. So you can kind of use these things for quite a couple of hours, quite a few hours. But the good thing about this is, when I saw the other reviews on YouTube, the other reviewers, the other content creators who were doing the review, actually for nighttime, this is the best. You'll probably go shoulder to shoulder with some of the other leading brands out there when you do daytime shots and daytime video, but during the nighttime, this is the best. Nearly every review shows that this has, you know, a better picture in the nighttime. That is why I got this. But in terms of daytime, it will probably be the same as every other leading brand out there. So that's it, guys. That's all that's in here. Just to recap, you've got the rod, you've got the battery pack, you've got the camera. This seems to be a some sort of a, like a rubber band type of a thing to protect the lens. I'm not sure what it is, but anyway, you've got that. You've got the rod, you've got the mounting plate with adhesive at the back to stick it on something. It's got to be something specific because it's got a bend on it. I'm not sure what that curve is on it. It's got to go on probably something specific. I'm not sure what. The USB-C cable, I'm sure all of us have got plenty of these now. They're the gold standard to use around the world now. Like I said, I probably won't be using this. I'm going to be using the Tilta instead. So subscribe and hit the notification button to watch that video. and the battery pack. That's it. That's part of the adventure pack. So this is the review for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. If you liked the video and it helped you out in some way, please subscribe. As the channel is new, it'll help the channel out. Thank you.